Russia's wave tactic with little training and poor odds make many of the armored vehicles drive as quickly as possible to try and use speed to avoid getting targeted, giving them little control over the vehicle and having a high risk of driving over a mine or getting stuck. But even when driving as quick as they can still get targeted by multiple Ukrainian weapon systems, like the FPV drone, here showing a BMP getting hit from the side. As the warhead penetrates the thin armor, the crew flee out in panic to avoid a possible internal fire or ammunition detonation, showing another failed attack ending in a chaotic retreat, leaving one less BMP for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.